Hey everyone! Experiencing the dreaded detected custom ROM or unlocked bootloader message on GCash? Let's break down what this means. GCash, like many financial apps, prioritizes your security. To protect your account from potential fraud and unauthorized access, it actively checks if your device has been modified. A custom ROM is essentially a modified version of Android, offering extra features but potentially bypassing crucial security measures. An unlocked bootloader allows deep-level system changes, which can also open doors to vulnerabilities. GCache uses tools like Google's safety net and its own checks to identify these modifications. If detected, GCache restricts access to prevent malicious activity. Think of it like this. GCache wants to make sure the door to your money is locked tight. This is triggered by recent app updates, version 5.58.0 and later as of May 2025, due to an increase in cyber threats. So the short answer to why is this happening is GCache is trying to keep your money safe from hackers who might exploit those modifications. Okay, so can you get around this detection? Officially, GCache advises reverting to your device's original, unmodified state. This means flashing the stock ROM, the original operating system that came with your phone, and relocking the bootloader. Tools like Odin for Samsung devices or Fastboot for Google devices can help with this process, but be warned, it's complex and risky. Doing it wrong can brick your phone or void your warranty. There are community workarounds, like using Magisk modules to hide the modifications, but GCache is constantly updating its security, so these fixes are often temporary. Plus, using unofficial methods might violate GCache's terms of service and could lead to a permanent ban. Ultimately, the safest solution is to use a phone with its original software. If you're tech savvy and understand the risks, you can explore the community fixes, but proceed with extreme caution. Remember, protecting your financial data is the top priority. Keep an eye on future updates from GCache, as they've hinted at potentially allowing a developer mode for verified users in the future.